Now we're going to take a look at formatting our Google Sheet. First thing it asks us to do is to align the text for columns B and C so it's in the center. We would simply do that by clicking on B and then C. We would have to do this in this column header here. So again, I want to come up here no matter where I'm at in the sheet. If I come up here and click, I can select both column B and column C. I'm going to come up here on their formatting bar and I'm going to choose to align center. And that'll move everything in column B and column C center align. Next thing it asks me to do is to highlight column A and color it light blue. So I'm going to come up here and just simply click on column A header, and you'll see that it selects everything in column A. And it says to make this one light blue. I do that by coming on this fill tool, and I'm just simply going to choose a light blue. And you notice that that entire column turns light blue. Then it says to make column B light green. I'll go through that same process to make this one light green, and I'll do the same thing for column C, but I'm going to make this one a light pink. Then it says to put a border around each cell, and I can do that pretty easily by simply clicking in A1, this cell, and then dragging to C10. And what this will allow me to do is this will allow me to put this area as my selection area, and then right here I can create borders, and that will allow me to put borders around each of those cells. So I highlight my area first, then I can come at and I can click on that borders tool. And then it says to have a row labeled totals in cell A9. So I'm going to come in column A and then in row 9, so that is going to be cell A9, and here it says to put totals. And then it also says to make it bold. So what I can do is after I've hit enter to select the text inside of that cell, I can come up in that cell either by using my arrows or by clicking in that cell, and then I'm going to use my bold tool to make that bold. And then the last step, it says also to make the header row bold. And this right here is going to be my header row. So I can choose to select each cell and then hit bold, or the same way that I made the entire column a selection, I can do the same thing with the row simply by coming over, clicking over in my row header here, and then choosing bold, and it will make everything in that row bold.